One video, infinite shelf life. Thanks for joining us today. We're glad you're here with us, so happy you could stop by. Today we are talking about one video, infinite shelf life. Do you want to potentially make hundreds of dollars per day as a teenager? Even if you are older. These days people in their 50s and above are killing it. Well, if you are ready to make some real money, you are in the right place. Because we are introducing you to our guru Matt, who has made hundreds of dollars per day ever since he was 15 years old. Our guru Matt has his intelligent strategy, which is the how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, plus his completely complimentary training. As a teenager, what's possible years down the line is almost unimaginable. Now most people who watch this video are going to do nothing with it. Obviously Matt cannot guarantee that you are going to make millions of dollars just by watching this video. What he can guarantee though, is that you are going to learn the same exact tactics that brought him from zero to making well over $300 per day as a teenager. Today Matt makes thousands of dollars every single day. He runs over a dozen different YouTube channels that do just this. He makes over $330,000 per month just from ad revenue alone, not to mention well over $100,000 a month from many different monetization sources. We will give you Matt's story after we discuss today's topic. One video, infinite shelf life. What if one video kept working for years? Most business models chase short-term wins. Do the work. Get paid once. Start from scratch tomorrow. But what if your content didn't expire? What if one video, posted once, could keep pulling in views, traffic, and income for years? That's exactly how faceless YouTube works. One of my oldest videos still gets views. It still earns. It still grows my audience. And I haven't touched it in years. That's the kind of leverage we're building. YouTube isn't like social media. Posts don't vanish after 24 hours. A great video doesn't fade in a day. It sticks. Sometimes for years. Especially when it's built to rank. Especially when it's faceless. Especially when you're not chasing relevance just to stay seen. That's the mindset we teach inside Tube Accelerator. You're not trying to go viral once. You're building a digital asset. Every video you post is another piece of work that pays off while you live your life. Sleep. Work. Travel. Spend time with your family. The system doesn't care. If the video's up, the video's working. It's not magic. It's math. It's momentum. And the sooner you start publishing, even once a week, the sooner those videos start stacking. In another video we will show you how total beginners are using this model to build channels they're proud of. No tech skills. No camera. No audience. But for now, here is our guru Matt's story. You are lucky to have selected this video to watch. Today we are going to introduce you to our guru Matt and his brilliant strategy. Matt's strategy is the how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, plus his completely free training. Do you want to potentially hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? That is a milestone every creator dreams of. Even if you have been around for a while, you are in the right place, because we are introducing you to our guru Matt. Matt has made hundreds of dollars per day ever since he was 15 years old using YouTube. After you have watched this intro video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Have you ever seen someone who has money without a partner? Matt started his online money-making journey when he was just 14. By 15, he was making more than most of his friends. By 16, Matt was making more than his parents. Matt is not saying this to brag by any means. He is not acting like he is some sort of genius or something, but he does feel incredibly lucky. He has stumbled across what is, in his opinion, the best way of making money online that doesn't require you to work 24/7. Matt knows as a teenager that it can be hard to manage life. With school and everything else, it is difficult. But luckily, we live in a day and age that allows us to use leverage in order to make way more money than was possible in the past. For people Matt's age, Matt is about 24 years old as of early 2025. He makes millions of dollars per year. Again, he is not saying that to brag, but just showing you what's potentially possible if you put in the work. Wouldn't you love to be in a position to retire just a few years or less into your new project? As a teenager, what's possible years down the line is almost unimaginable. Now, most people who watch this video are going to do nothing with it. Obviously, Matt cannot guarantee that you are going to make millions of dollars just by watching this video. What Matt can guarantee, though, is that you are going to learn the same exact tactics that brought him from zero to making well over $300 per day as a teenager. Today, Matt makes thousands of dollars every single day. The way that Matt started making money online was by running YouTube channels. Now, these are not YouTube channels like you are probably thinking of. It does not entail getting behind a camera, showing your face, and becoming an influencer. No. These are channels like Brainy Dose, for example, which just produces faceless content with a voiceover on top of that content. Your age doesn't matter. What you look like doesn't matter. All you have to do is record your voice or even just use AI tools like 11 Labs to generate a voiceover for you to create videos like this. Today, Matt runs over 12 different YouTube channels that do just this. He makes over $330,000 per month just from ad revenue alone. Plus, not to mention, well over $100,000 a month from many different monetization sources. Now obviously, that won't happen overnight. But to get to the point where you are making a couple hundred per day doing this is more than possible. There are thousands of different channels that have reached this milestone, and again, your age doesn't matter or anything else. This is applicable not just for teenagers. No matter what your age, watching this video could potentially help you do this. Software used to create this video. The information provided here is provided for educational purposes only. If you want legal or accounting opinion, please seek advice from a licensed professional in the area such as an accountant, lawyer or similar. These are affiliate links and we do retain a commission for sales except for the free ones. What these tools do. Tube Mastery aims to help users, especially those new to YouTube, learn and implement strategies to grow their channels, optimize videos, and potentially monetize their content. From using AI-powered tools to optimize your YouTube channel and videos for maximum visibility, to creating content that resonates with your audience, we'll cover it all. Tube Magic help YouTube creators with various aspects of their channels, from generating video ideas and scripts to optimizing videos for search and engagement. VidAI. Vid.ai promises to simplify video production with its smart tools, templates, and automation. VidIQ helps YouTube creators optimize their content, analyze keywords, discover trending topics, and ultimately grow their channels by boosting views and engagement. Pictory streamlines video creation by transforming text content, like scripts, blog posts, or URLs, into professional-looking videos with visuals, AI voiceovers, subtitles, and captions, all in a few clicks. ChatGPT free version. Put the following prompt into Google search. What does ChatGPT free version do? Do you want to simplify your YouTube management? We'll teach you the secret formula. Don't just watch. Learn how to monetize your hobby or interests right now. Stop scrolling. Start earning. Click to transform views into cash today. When it comes to YouTube, effective content creation strategies are essential for standing out in a crowded marketplace. One of the first steps is identifying popular content niches that resonate with audiences. Whether it's beauty, gaming, travel, or educational content, focusing on a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise can help attract a dedicated viewer base. Researching trending topics and understanding audience preferences can guide you in selecting content that not only captivates viewers but also encourages engagement. Quality production and storytelling are crucial elements that can elevate your content. Investing in good software. such as those that we use, can significantly enhance the visual and audio quality of your videos. The software that we use is listed near the top of the description below. However, it's not just about the technical aspects. Compelling storytelling is what keeps viewers hooked. Crafting narratives that evoke emotions or provide valuable insights can create a deeper connection with your audience, making them more likely to return for future content. Consistency and authenticity are key to building a loyal following. Our software does this too. Regularly uploading content helps keep your audience engaged and establishes a sense of reliability. Additionally, being authentic in your presentation fosters trust and relatability, encouraging viewers to connect with you on a personal level. By staying true to yourself and your unique voice, you can cultivate a community that supports your journey. Your voice can be your own voice or an AI voice. Ultimately, combining these strategies will not only enhance your content but also pave the way for long-term success on YouTube.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.